Please don't include this and this. You can ask the police. Huh? She was studying in a private medical college. So all the private medical college, whose responsibility? How they came out in the night at 12:30? And it happens in the, so far I know, forest area. And 12:30, I do not know what happened. Investigation is on. I'm shocked to see the incident. But private medical colleges also used to take care for their students, and especially the girl child at night time. They should not be allowed to come out in the outside. They have to protect themselves also. There is a forest area. Mix up with this affected flood area and all this. When it happens in other state, it is also condemnable. Manipur you have seen so many. UP you have seen so many. Bihar you have seen so many. Other state, Odisha you have seen so many.